Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your own delicious Italian dressing from scratch. We will start by gathering a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. The foundation of any great Italian dressing begins with a high-quality extra virgin olive oil, providing a rich and smooth base. For the essential tang, we will use either white wine vinegar or red wine vinegar, ensuring a bright and zesty flavor profile for your homemade creation. Next, let's elevate the flavor with some key boosters. Freshly minced garlic and a touch of onion powder will infuse your dressing with a wonderful aromatic depth. For that authentic Italian taste, we will incorporate dried oregano, basil, and thyme, which are essential herbs. Finally, a small spoonful of Dijon mustard is not just for flavor. It acts as a natural emulsifier, helping to bind the oil and vinegar together for a smooth, consistent dressing. Now, let's bring all these wonderful ingredients together. Simply combine everything in a jar with a tight-fitting lid, or in a bowl if you prefer to whisk. If using a jar, shake it vigorously for about 30 seconds until the dressing is well combined and emulsified. For optimal freshness and flavor, store your homemade Italian dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will keep beautifully for up to 2 weeks. One of the best parts about making your own dressing is the ability to customize it. Feel free to adjust the oil-to-vinegar ratio to match your personal preference, perhaps a 3-to-1 ratio for a milder tang. For those who enjoy a little heat, a pinch of red pepper flakes will add a delightful spicy kick. This versatile homemade Italian dressing is perfect for green salads, as a marinade for chicken, or even drizzled over sandwiches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.